fifth number is Mach number. Mach number. Now Mach number is useful in high speed objects. Okay, missiles, aeroplanes, like. How we will see that? First of all, we will see definition. It is what? Ratio of inertia force. It is a ratio of, in the square root, inertia force to elastic force. Elastic. Elasticity is a property of material. Elastic property. Elastic force. Okay. So, further, writing this in mathematical form, inertia force is rho a v square. Elastic force, spelling elastic. Elastic force. Elastic force. Okay. Now you know that stress is a what? Stress is a force divided by area. So force, elastic force will be what? Stress into area. So stress into area. Stress into area. Now in this case, which stress we are using? We are using here bulk modulus. Bulk modulus, because fluids are not compressible. Means liquids are incompressible. Why? Because of its strength to resist the compressive force. Liquids are hardly to compress. Water hardly to compress. Which property is there? That property is bulk modulus. Its strength, and that is why we take reciprocal of bulk modulus as a compressibility. First, compressibility. So K is here bulk modulus. Okay. So bulk modulus into area. So K into E. K into E. Elastic force. K into E. So writing this in a above expression, M is equal to square root of rho a v square divided by K into A. K into A. Here A is getting cancelled. Remains, that is v square upon, we write this K upon rho. In the square root, v square upon K upon rho. Further simplification, square root of v square is v, below in the square root K by rho. Okay. Now mathematically here this ratio K by rho, this is called as velocity of sound. Velocity of sound. Sound velocity is given by the ratio of bulk modulus to the density. So that is why further Mach number is becoming ratio V, that is velocity of any object, velocity of fluid, velocity of substance, velocity of sound. So that is why Mach number becomes ratio of velocity of object is divided by velocity of sound. Now this object is for solid, and if the fluid, then it may be of fluid, velocity of fluid. Velocity of. Okay. Now here are the three cases. See, when the Reynolds number, this Mach number, when the Mach number is equal to 1, okay, Mach number is equal to 1. What is meaning of 1? Means when their velocity of object and velocity of sound both are same, then we say Mach number 1. Such flow is called as sonic flow. Sonic flow in which velocity of object and sound are same. Such flow is called as sonic flow. When the Mach number is less than 1, then it is called as subsonic flow. Subsonic flow. And when the Mach number is greater than 1, then it is called as supersonic flow. Supersonic. Supersonic. Supersonic flow means what? M is greater than 1. Means velocity of that object is greater than sound velocity. All the objects, for example, missile, plane, aeroplane, okay, fighter planes, these are moving higher than the sound velocity. Such planes, such missiles are called as supersonic objects. We have seen name of Mach 3. Mach 3 is the name of that jet. Okay, jet plane, Mach 3. What is the meaning of this? Mach 3 means it is having Mach number 3. Means its velocity is thrice of sound velocity. Velocity of that plane or that jet is a thrice, 3 times of the Mach number. Isn't it? Means to indicate or to know about the velocity of object, we use this number. That is Mach number.